Okay guys, hi, we are meet again. So today I'm going to features the Airbus military A400M models. This actually coming from the Airbus factory actually. My friend has an opportunity to visit the production facility in Toulouse, and they give this as a gift. So actually it's a metal cast A400M. A400M is a heavy lift aircraft used for transport. The most modern airlifter now. So you can see the aerial refueling props here attached together with these models. At the left wing and the right wing tips here. I think this is the refueling tank, drop tank I think. So you can see the full features of the models. You also have a cargo here, can be open. Oh, we're missing the parts here. A few parts, we are missing parts here. So for me, nice models. Cast iron. Oh, this one is a cast iron and this one is a plastic one for the wings. It's not for sales for now. I keep it as a collection, but you can see the spider web here. I just take out from the storage. They come with four engine actually, but we are losing the propeller for the third and fourth engine here. We are losing, almost lost 2 engine here. What a loss. Actually F100 have 4 engines, turboprops engine. Okay guys, maybe next time we see again. Bye bye, see you.